Hello everyone, my name is Minakshi. I am working as a Odoo developer at Inom ERP. Now, today I am going to explain my module Inom Product Combo Pack. The Inom Product Combo Pack modules allow business to create and manage combo or bundle products by continuing multiple individual items into a single pack. Instead of selling each product separately, you can offer them as a combo while the system automatically manages the underlying component products. The module integrates with sale, purchase, and inventory, making it easy to sell or purchase combo pack while ensuring that stock movements are based on the individual components rather than the parent combo pack. It also provides features such as a automatic pack price calculation, stock availability tracking, pack cost and margin analysis, and support for both normal combo pack and exploded combo pack. This module is especially useful for business that sell product bundles, promotional kits, hampers, electronic accessories, furniture sets, FMCG combo offers, and starter kits, helping streamline inventory management and improve operation efficiency. Now I am going to explain my module functionality step by step. First of all, you have to install five modules which are depends on the Inom product combo pack, which is depends on these module: sales stock, purchase stock, stock purchase, account, and mail. Now I am going to search my module on search bar. Inom product. Now you can see Inom product combo pack module are visible on my screen. The module is already installed on my system. Then I am upgrading this module on clicking on upgrade button. Now this module is upgraded. Now you can see on this purchase, invoicing, inventory, sales menus are visible on my screen. Now I am going to explain my module functionality step by step. Go to app, search Inom product combo pack, install. The module installed successfully. No installation error occur. Now you can see no installation error occur. Inventory, sale, purchase, and stock modules remain accessible. Now create combo packs. Create component products. Before creating a combo pack, you need to create the individual product that will be included in the combo. Go to inventory, click on inventory, click products, then click products. Then now you can see on my screen here is various type of products are visible on my screen. You can also create new product on clicking on new. Now I am creating new product on clicking on new. Now you can see various type of fields are visible on my screen. This is the form. Now here it is product. Various type of tabs are visible: general information, attribute, variant, sales, purchase, inventory, and combo pack are the new tab which is added by the module. Now I am clicking on product. I am creating new product, keyboard. Product name, keyboard. Product type, storable. Now sales price 1000. Now cost is 700. You can set sale price according to you and cost price according to you. Then click on save. The keyboard new product are created on my system. Then create second product, mouse. Click on sales price, setting sales price 500 and cost 300. Then click on save. Now mouse product is also created on my system. Then create third product, headphones. Product name, headphones. Product type, storable. Sales price 1000. Sales price, sorry for my mistake, sales price 2000, cost 1500, then click on save. All three products should be created successfully and appear in the product list. Now you can see, click on inventory, products, product. Now you can see three products are visible on my screen. Then add inventory stock. Since combo packs depend on component stock, you need to add inventory. Go to inventory, then product. Click on inventory, then click on product. Open each product and click update quantity. Like search keyboard, click on keyboard, on hand quantity, sorry for my mistake, on hand quantity, set on hand quantity 100, then click on save. Now click second product, mouse, sorry for my mistake, mouse. Click this product and click quantity on a hand 100, then save. Then search third product, headphones, open this product and quantity on hand 50, then save. The product should now have available stock. Create a combo pack product. Now create the parent combo pack. Go to backend, click inventory, click products, click new. And now product name gaming combo pack. Gaming combo pack. Gaming combo pack. Product type is storable. Sales price 3500. Cost so, or leave it for auto calculation if supported. Now enable is combo pack. Go to combo pack. Uh, check this checkbox is combo pack. Enable this checkbox. Then click save. Is checkbox enable this checkbox automatically auto calculating pack price, delivery packs, pack availability, pack components cost are field visible on my screen. Then click save. Now after enabling is combo pack, new combo related fields should appear such as combo pack price, some auto calculate pack price, pack cost, pack margin, available pack quantity. Add combo pack components. Open the combo pack item section, then click add a line, add the following products like keyboard, mouse, headphones. Add keyboard, search keyboard, keyboard, then set a quantity 1, unit price you can see is auto visible 1000. Then click second product, mouse, set quantity 1, then search third product, headphones, now you can see quantity, set quantity 1 and the unit price of this 200. The combo pack should now contain all three components product. Now click on save. Verify pack price calculation. If auto calculate pack price is enabled, verify that the total pack price is calculated correctly. Expected calculation is keyboard is 1000, mouse is 500 and headphones is 200. Total pack price is 3500. The combo pack price should equal the total price of all component price. Now you can see pack item total cost is 300, 3,500. Verify available pack quantity. The module calculates how many complete combo packs can be created based on the available stock. Current stock, keyboard 100, mouse 100, headphones 50. Each component required keyboard 1, mouse 1, headphones 1. Available pack quantity should display 50 because headphone has the lowest available quantity. Now verify pack availability. Reduce the stock of headphones to 0. Save the changes. Click on inventory, products, headphones, search headphones, and reduce quantity on hand is set 0. Then click on save. The pack availability should changes to out of stock. Now increase the headphone quantity again. Then click on inventory, products, new, combo pack, add a line. You can see pack availability is out of stock. Now increase the headphone quantity again. Inventory, products, refresh this page, products, search headphones, and increase the quantity on hand 50. Then click on save. The status should return to available. Then click on inventory, products, new, combo pack. Refresh this page. Check whether the module calculates pack component cost, pack margin percentage. Component cost 700 plus 300 plus 1500 to 2500. Selling price is 3500. Now you can see new combo pack, add a line. Sorry for my mistake. Products, add a line, search keyboard. Now you can see status is change, pack availability is available. Then search mouse, then search headphones. Now you can see pack total item is 3,500 and pack components cost is 2,500. Now open sales quotations. Go to sales, click on orders, refresh this page, go to sales, click on orders, click quotations, then click new. Now you can see here it is various type of quotation are visible on my screen. You can also create new quotation for clicking on new. I am creating new quotation. Click new, select a customer, and select a customer. A new quotation is created where you can add product for the customer. Check combo pack buttons. After opening the quotation, look for the new quotation is created where you can add product for the customer. Add a product. Search keyboard, then search mouse. Now search third one, mouse, keyboard, headphones, and set the quantity 111. Then click on save. After opening the quotation, look for the buttons. Now go to sales. Now you can see S000033 new quotations are created. Then click on these quotations. Now you can see add combo pack, add exploded pack buttons are visible on my screen. These buttons are added by the modules. These buttons are added by the iKnow product combo pack module. They allow you to add combo product instead of manually adding each component product. Now both buttons should be visible on the quotations. Click add combo pack. Click add combo pack. Now you can see a wizard form is open. The wizard display combo pack quantity unit price component products. The wizard allow you to select a predefined combo pack of automatically prepares of its components product. Select a combo pack. Now choose combo pack, gaming combo pack. Then choose gaming combo pack. Enter quantity 2. Now you can see product, keyboard, mouse, headphones are automatically visible on my screen with the unit price 1500 and 2000. Now click on add. The module reads the combo definition or automatically identify all components product with their quantity. After closing the wizard, check the quotations line. Expected you see you should see parent line gaming combo pack quantity to price 3500, and component line keyboard mouse headphone quantity 222 unit price 000, and the tax is 000 amount 000. The parent combo product is added as the selling product. The component products are automatically generated based on the combo configuration. The customer pay only for the combo pack. The components line are mainly used for inventory processing. Confirm the sale order. Click on confirm. The quotation become a sale order. The status is change quotation from sale order. Odoo start preparing the delivery process. Open delivery orders. Inside the sale order click delivery. Now you can see delivery button are visible on my screen. Click on this delivery. The delivery order show the product that need to be shipped. The module replaces the parent combo. Now you can see module replaces the parent combo. Only keyboard, mouse, headphones are visible on my screen with the available. Demand 222, quantity 222. Now product availability is available. Source document S00033. That this transfer has been created from S00033. The delivery order show the product that need to be shipped. The module replace the parent combo with its component product. Keyboard, mouse, headphones are visible on this screen. The parent combo product should not be delivery. Validate delivery. Click on validate. Now you can see the warehouse confirmed that the product have been delivered. Inventory is updated. Stock decreased from for keyboard, mouse, headphones. The combo product stock is not reduced because it's only a virtual bundle. Now test exported combo pack. Create another quotation. Click on new. Create another quotation. Click on sales. Click on new. Select customer. Now select add exploded pack. Now you can see combo wizard is oppo combo pack. Select combo pack gaming combo pack with the now you can see keyboard, mouse, headphones are automatically visible on my screen. with the quantity 1, then click add. Instead of adding one paired combo line, the wizard directly adds keyboard mount headphones. Each product appears as a separate sales order lines. The combo is exploded before creating the order. The option is useful when each product should appear individually on the quotation or invoice. Now you can see keyboard, mouse, headphones, one quantity, unit price, taxes, amount, and the total is 3,500. Amount are visible on my screen. Now open purchase RFQ. Go to backend purchase order, click purchase, click order, click request for quotation. Now click new. Uh, in this screen, you can select vendor. A new request for quotation is created. Now check combo pack buttons. Verify that the following buttons are available or no. Now you can see on my screen add combo pack, add exploded pack buttons are visible on my screen. The module extend purchase order by allowing combo packs to be purchased directly. Add combo pack. Click on add combo pack. Now you can see wizard is open. The wizard allows you to select a combo pack. Now select combo pack, gaming combo pack with the quantity 5. Now click add. The module reads all components product from the combo configuration and prepares them for the purchase order. Purchase order should contain parent line gaming combo pack. Now you can see gaming combo pack quantity 5, unit price 3,500, taxes with taxes, components line keyboard, mouse, headphones quantity 555. The module automatically creates all required components line. The user does not need to enter each product manually. Then confirm purchase order. Click confirm on purchase order. The purchase order becomes confirmed. The purchase order is the status is changed to RFQ to purchase order. Udo creates the incoming shipment. Open receipt. Now you can see receipt button are visible on my screen. Click the receipt show the product that will arrive from the suppliers. Receipt should contain keyboard, mouse, headphones. Now you can see keyboard, mouse, headphones, demand 555, quantity 555. The parent combo product should not appear in the stock receipt. Click on validate. Now click validate. Inventory receive the component product, the stock of individual item increase. Expected inventory increase for keyboard, mouse, headphone. The combo product itself is not stored in inventory. Text exploded combo pack. Create another RFQ. Now I am creating new RFQ. Clicking on purchase orders, request for quotation, then click on new. Ready made. Now click on add exploded pack. Select combo pack with quantity 2, then click add. Now you can see only component products are added. Keyboard, mouse, headphones are visible with the quantity 222 unit with unit price. There is no parent combo product line. The combo pack is expanded into individual product before the purchase order is created. Now click confirm order. Now you can see RFQ to purchase order. The status is changed. Now click on receipt. Now validate this receipt. Now you can see the receipt is changed, ready to done. This is the overall functionality of my module. You can download this module from Odoo apps. Search on Odoo apps I know product combo pack and you can download this module. Thank you.